I'm up. I'm up. It's 6 in the morning.
I know. Oh, but it took me 35 tries just to get you up.
Okay, we have phantom hunting this morning. Shut up.
Alright. Okay. Alright, let's go phantom hunting.
Okay.
Ugh. Does that really have to be my life now? Getting up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Trying to get you up 35. Well, there's a few phantoms over there, but it looks like they're getting taken care of.
I'm tired. Wait.
Me too.
Wait, what's that over there? I thought I saw purple flash.
Lexi, we have to stay on track. Maybe that trail isn't a good trail.
Well, wait, oh my god. I'm out of tires. I'm searching for a phantom crystal.
For the phantom crystal.
Wait, I thought it was a myth.
Well, it's real. Why do we trust you? You just came out of nowhere. How can we trust you? Do you need our help? Well, from a different dimension, you guys.
Wait a second. There's a different dimension? Okay. Are we drunk or something?
Follow me, please.
What? We can't trust you.
Follow me, please.
Okay. A few minutes later.
Well, we just met you. How can we trust you?
We have to trust her somehow.
Follow me, please. Well, this is it. Home sweet home through tunnel. Wait, what?
How do you expect us to go in there?
Well, it's a portal. It'll suck you in automatically. Well, this takes us to 3 portals that go to different time periods. A different time period, phantom dimension, and many more places.
Okay, I can trust her.
Okay, we can go in, as long as nobody gets hurt.
We're all gonna get hurt. Anyway, let's go in. Let's go in.
Same time.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
Go. Here it is.
Here are the 3 portals to the 3 dimensions. Be careful. You guys, which one you choose.
Okay. Where will this one take me to?
Well, I'm from the 5th dimension, so I don't know where the other portals will go. Life is horrible there in the 5th dimension. The food is really gross and moldy. Life sounds horrible there, but it's worth a shot.
Well, I guess we're going in.
Yes. Be careful, everyone. Since we're going into different portals, it could take us to different timelines. And once we go in, the portal disappears from the other side. It'll take at least a long time to find the portals to get you back home. Well, I heard there was one phantom crystal in each portal. Well, there will be one guide for you, Jack. Jack and Moxie, be careful. Plus, I've heard that there's one phantom crystal in each portal. Jack, you have a guide. His name is known. He is known as the Phantom Guardian. Lexi, I'm not sure, but good luck to both of you. I'll meet you back here soon.
Well, 3, 2, 1, go!
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Make sure to leave a like and tell everybody you know about it in the Amazon community. So I can't do this. Probably.
Here's the thing, guys. There will be a new character next episode. If you can remember what his name is, what Alitaris said, leave his name down in the comments.
Yeah, I hope we get to like 50 subscribers. Please. I'm desperate. Subscribe. Please. They're never gonna subscribe. They're only 18. Oh.
We're close to 20 at least.
Yeah. But like, I'm struggling to be a Jambasper. We both are. I've had this dream for 2 years, by the way, and I'm not lying.
She's crazy. Like literally on her story, it says, "Animal Jam, make me a jam."
Yeah. But please subscribe. Like I'm really desperate. I put effort into my videos. Anyways, like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said. Anyways, bye.